Now friends, exercise 2.3, it's question number 1. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each the following. Here is given 3 sums. We take question number 1, all 3 sums here. सबसे पहले फ्रेंड्स याद रखना है, whenever you solve the sum of this kind of dividing, x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Whenever you write, keep attention properly because one mistake make our sum wrong. Also here, write in a descending order, power 3, power 2, power 1, power 0. X cube, x square, x raised to 1, x raised to 0. Similar, we write it also in a descending order, x square plus 0x यानी है ही नहीं, minus 2. First term divided by first term, x upon xx. क्या करना है? पहला की इसका write the term in a descending order both side inside the greater power. ओके, ये दोनों में जो बड़ा होगा वो इनसाइड आएगा, छोटा होगा वो आउटसाइड आएगा. नाउ फर्स्ट टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट टर्म. x cut, so we got here the answer x into x square, x cube, x into 0, ये 0 ही है, 0x square, x into minus 2 minus 2x, minus plus, this term will be cut, 3x cube minus, so minus 3x square, here 5 के आगे प्लस, 2 के आगे प्लस, बड़े का साइन, सिमिलर साइन, do sum of these two digit 7x. We write here minus 3. First term divided by first term, minus 3xx upon xx cut, here is remaining minus 3. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into 0, ये 0 ही है. Minus into minus plus 6, 3 to the 6. Now here plus minus minus. This term cut. A3 के आगे minus, A3 के आगे plus. Here we write plus 7x. 3 के आगे minus, 6 के आगे minus. Write the sign of the greater number. 6 plus 3, 9. Similar, do sum. Different, do subtraction. So, at last, quotient is x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. This is the answer. Now we look this sum. First we write the greater power inside x raised to 4. Here is not x cube, so we write here 0x cube. Minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. X raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1, x raised to 0. Similar, arrange all these number here. X square minus x plus 1. First term divided by first term. इसका जैसा करना है. So what we got here? X square into x square, x raised to 4. X square into minus x cube. X square into 1 plus x square. Okay? Here minus plus minus. इसके आगे हमको देखना है फ्रेंड्स, ये दोनों के आगे भी प्लस है, लेकिन x raised to 4 के आगे प्लस, this before this x raised to 4 minus, these are cut. X cube here is plus, so we write here plus x cube. 3x cube, x square के आगे minus, x square के आगे minus. Write the sign of the greater number. Do the sum of these two digits. 3 plus 1, 4x square. Similar way sum करना है. Now we take here plus 4x. First term divided by first term. We got here plus x. ओके अगर नहीं आता है तो रफ वर्क में करना है ऐसे x x x अपॉन x स्क्वायर यानी x कट x क्यूब है तो x अपॉन x स्क्वायर का x क्यूब x स्क्वायर x दिस टू टर्म आर कट हियर इज रिमेनिंग x into x square x cube x into minus x square x into 1 plus x. We change the sign here minus plus and minus cut here. 4 के आगे minus 1 के आगे plus. बड़े का साइन बड़े में से छोटे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो 4 minus 1 3x square. बड़े का साइन छोटे के आगे माइनस है इसके आगे माइनस ये नहीं दिखना है 4 के आगे प्लस 1 के आगे माइनस बिफोर 4 प्लस एंड बिफोर 1 माइनस होगा बड़े का साइन बड़े में से छोटे को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो 3x 4 minus 1 3x and here we take plus 5. now first term divided by first term अगर आप करेंगे तो क्या आएगा minus 3 क्या आएगा minus 3. I show you here minus 3xx upon x square what is remaining minus 3 minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus into minus plus 3x minus into plus minus 3 here plus minus plus एक कट हुआ 3x plus 3x minus also we cut here before 5 it will be plus before 3 here is plus बड़े का साइन similar में addition so here the quotient is 8 and the remainder is quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. Okay, now friends here I take the three sums together because here is x cube x square x raised to 1 and x raised to 0. Here is x raised to 4 and directly x raised to 2. Here is not x cube so we write here 0x cube. Then after minus 3x square plus 4x and 5. The power is in a descending order. Also in this sum, first we draw here x raised to 4 plus 0x cube नहीं है वो लिखना है plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6 and here we write minus x square plus 0x plus 2. Friends, we have no habit to write the first term as a minus. Here is given. So whenever this kind of sum you solve, be alert. Here first term divided by first term x upon minus x square what is the answer minus x square. This minus x square we write here minus x square into minus x square x raised to 4 minus x एक 0 है minus x square into 0x cube negative into positive minus 2x square. Now here we change the sign a plus a minus plus this term will be cut here is plus and here is minus This term also cut. 2 के आगे plus, we write here 2x square. From here I take minus 5x, write here plus 6. First term divided by first term. We write here 2xx upon minus xx, xx cut. What is remaining? Minus 2. So here, minus 2 into x square, negative into negative, positive 2x square, negative into, ये तो 0 ही है, तो 0x, and negative into positive, negative 4. Minus, minus and plus. This term will become here minus 5x, इसमें 6 के आगे plus, 4 के आगे plus. Write the sign of the greater number. Do simplify of these two plus 10. So here friends, the question is minus x square minus 2 and remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Be careful in this sum because here is given the first term minus. Okay friends, thank you, enjoy this sum. Thank you very much.